Darjeeling KVK under Uttar Banga Krishi Vishwavidyalaya has developed many sensor-based technologies for agriculture and allied sectors. Another such technology is high-tech rain gauge. This rain gauge can measure rainfall and uploads its data to Internet cloud, which can be monitored from anywhere using mobile phone. In addition to that, it can record the date and time of rainfall. Another special feature of this instrument is interpretation of rain intensity, that is heavy rainfall, medium rainfall or drizzling. This instrument may be beneficial for researchers and agrometeorological services.